Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will show you how to add current time or date in Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Let's start now. First open Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Then go to Insert and click Date and Time, and you can use any format that are available. Select this April 13, 2022. Okay, you can see this, the date is added. You can easily edit date and time. There have a time 24 hours format and 12 hours format, so I can use 12 hours format. Then click OK. Time is added. So you can easily edit current time and date in Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. And repeat this action. Go to Insert menu and click Date and Time. And click here. There have some format. Select a format, then apply. You can see there have a date is added, and you can move this anywhere in slide. I hope this video is very helpful for you. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.